Alright guys, so guess what? Today I'm doing some barbecue, spicy barbecue ribs. My boy Joel hooked me up with some smoked paprika, so I'm gonna be using that today. So stick around guys and watch this one. This one's gonna be good.
Alright, and we're gonna start by adding some brown sugar. We're just gonna make the dry rub. Gonna add some chili powder, some cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Gonna add some salt. This a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna add some smoked paprika. This is the bad boy right here. Get a lot of good flavor from this, guys. Smoked paprika. Thanks again, Joel. Alright, and that's basically your dry rub. Just mix it in real good. And you're going to let this sit on top of your ribs for like 4 hours, guys, before you go ahead and just put it in the oven. Alright, get your ribs all clean and ready to go. Just gonna sprinkle this all over it, rub it in there real good, and you want to rub it in, literally. It's called a dry rub, but you want to actually rub it in. You want to get it in the meat. Nice. It's gonna have a nice golden color when you finish. And no oil, guys, no water, nothing. This is just a dry rub. We're gonna make the sauce separately. There you go. Get both sides, get the edges. You could use all of it. And we're gonna let this sit for 4 hours before we go ahead and start cooking. So we gotta make sure we get it marinated real good. And of course, as everything, I recommend overnight, but a lot of time you don't have time for that. But for best result, I'll let it sit overnight. But 4 hours, 6 hours, that's good. That's good also. Alright, now we're ready to let this sit. That's what you're looking for, nice golden color. And that's that color from the paprika. Alright. Alright, get your bacon tin ready. Get your rack. Alright. And you're gonna put some water at the bottom of this. And what the water is gonna do, the water is gonna help to keep it moist, because it's gonna stay in the oven for like an hour, depending on how thick it is, or depends on what temperature you keep your oven. I got my oven at 350. You're gonna slide this in the oven for 25 minutes. Alright guys, it's been 25 minutes and we're applying our first coat after the chili sauce. So just apply a nice coat over it, back and forth, both sides, the sides. Make sure you get all of it covered in the sauce. Then we're going to go ahead and put it back in for another 25 minutes. Then we're going to pull it out and repeat the process. Alright guys, so we apply our last coat again, and this time we're just going to put it back inside the oven for 15 minutes after we apply the final coat. It's almost ready guys, just 15 more minutes and we're ready to eat.
So it's have been 50 minutes and our barbecue spicy ribs are ready. Let's enjoy these guys.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe and share my page with your family and your friends. And thank you guys again. It's just good cooking with Chef Carlton.